be making vegetable quesadillas, and for that we're going to be using
whole wheat tortillas.
And for that too, we're going to be using reduced fat mozzarella cheese.
What kind of best?
And she's going to put the tortilla and the spray. First time put the spray. And then we need to wait a little bit. And then now you can put it.
We're going to use reduced fat mozzarella cheese and 3 tablespoons. So.
That was a pretty good one. It's fun. Now 3 more now.
Me?
And for my quesadilla, I'm going to be using some of these vegetables. And first vegetable that I'm going to be putting is the lettuce.
Spinach.
Spinach, my bad. I love spinach. We can put mine right there. And I'm going to be using shredded carrots. We're just going to be getting some shredded carrots. I'm just going to be using that much, and then I'm going to be putting in the middle right there. And then after I do that, I'm going to be putting the mushrooms I like to go put first. Some of these mushrooms right here. Whoops. There we go. And then after we put the mushrooms, we're going to be putting the bell peppers. And for that, we're going to be using green onion now. Right? Is that green onion? I love green onion. Now we just put it there.
I'm going to be adding spinach. I'll be adding my spinach, and I'm going to be adding my mushrooms. And carrots, shredded carrots. And green onions.
Right. Yeah, green onion.
And tomatoes. And there. I'm going to start making my recipe of the tortillas.
Good job. You just leave that one now. Which one do you want? Which do you want? Bell peppers? Okay, so we'll get some bell peppers. And you try your best to get some. You got them? What else do you want on them? You want carrots? Do you want green onion? Doesn't taste like onion. That's tasted. The white one or green?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
I'll put this one for you slow. Ow, you shocked me. Anything else? Mushrooms? Or that?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
Tomato? Okay. Be adding tomato for you.
How big is it?
Oh, you want those? Here, you can add them. Just go like that, like you did with yours. Put them on this here.
Look.
Here, let me fix that for you. Now that you already finished all of putting your vegetables on it, you're going to close it and you're going to let the cheese melt. And then once the cheese is melted, you're going to get it and then you're going to add it to a plate. Now we're just going to go like this. We're going to go, whoops, my bad. Like that.
I would do.
So that one's going to be for little brother. Okay, now leave that one right there. Down. One more plate.
That's us. I'm gonna try.
There we go.
It's time to try this veggie quesadilla. 1, 2,
We're doing 3.